Hi, I'm Todd Bradley, also known as Farmer Todd. Besides being a hairstylist, I'm also a full-time student. I'm studying art history and agriculture. And I wanted to start adding my agriculture videos to my YouTube channel. I wanted to do this little introductory video just to let you know what I'm doing, so all of a sudden you don't see these planting videos along with bookbinding or photography stuff. So I'm making it just a jack of all trades video site, and I wanted to welcome you. So yeah, this is my garden. I took a plant science class at City College last semester and loved it so much I signed up for 4 more classes in agriculture this semester, and I'm working towards an urban gardening certificate. So I practice sustainable agricultural practices and organic as much as possible, although I'm not going to be a certified organic gardener. There's just too much involved with that, but I do practice that as much as possible. And I wanted to bring you along for just things that I'm doing in the garden, whether it be like experiments or things that I'm planting, when I'm starting seeds, what I'm planting, how it's all doing, how it's going. So that's a little bit about me. Introduce yourself in the comments, like and subscribe. Thanks, welcome.